This is an MCQ from Kinetics. The number at the margin is indicating the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. There is a uniform rod of length L and weight W. It is pinned at this end, that is, it is fixed, and at the other end it is supported by an external force F. The question is, if this external force F is suddenly removed, then how much vertical reaction will be developed at the fixed end? Well, this is the rod and this is the fixed end. Let R be the reaction, and let this is the CG of the rod. The weight W will be acting through the CG. Okay, let M be the mass of the rod, and alpha, when the force is removed, the rod will tend to move down at the free end. Okay, so it will be a rotary motion. There will be a torque generated by the weight, and due to this torque it will try to rotate like this. So let M be the mass of the rod and alpha be the angular acceleration, and W and R both are opposite forces acting. So there will be a net force acting on the rod. R is vertically upward and W is vertically downward, and there will be a net force acting downward. So that will be equal to M into A, if A be the linear acceleration of the CG, and let us assume the mass moment of inertia of the rod is I, which is equal to ml square by 3, correct? Okay, so the torque will be equal to W into this distance, this is L by 2, again we know that torque is equal to I into alpha, so this implies WL by 2 is equal to ml square alpha by 3. So from here alpha is equal to 3 by 2 into W by M into L. Now considering the linear motion of the rod, so W minus R will be equal to M into A, if A be the linear acceleration of the rod, that is of the CG of the rod. Again we know the relation between the linear acceleration and the angular acceleration, so that is equal to M into R into alpha. R is nothing but the distance of the CG from the fixed end, that is L by 2. So this implies W minus R is equal to M into L by 2 into alpha. So alpha is nothing but 3 by 2 into W by ML. So ML both gets cancelled. So we can write R is equal to W minus 3W by 4, which is equal to W by 4. So which is matching with B. Therefore the answer is B, W by 4. Okay.